Let's cut the crap and get straight to it. If you want to invest in crypto, you've got to actually own some crypto. And no, it's not as easy as swiping your card and calling it a day. Most banks, they hate crypto. They'll block your transactions, freeze your accounts, and tell you it's for your protection. What they really mean is, they're scared. Scared of losing control. Scared you might figure out there's a whole financial world out there without them. But there's good news. You can buy crypto right now, from inside your own software wallet. MetaMask. No middlemen. No banks begging you not to leave. Just you, your wallet, and your next move. Here's how you do it. First, crack open MetaMask in your browser. Click the icon up top, hit the 3 little dots, and select Expand View. Boom! Now you're looking at the full screen version of your wallet. Next, pay attention. Check your network. You want to be on the Binance Smart Chain, sometimes called the BNB chain or BSC mainnet. Why? Because the fees are dirt cheap compared to Ethereum or other chains. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Now click the button that says Buy and Sell. You'll land on a page with a few steps to get rolling. Click through the pop-ups, and when it asks, "Where are you located?" don't get cute. It's not asking where you are. It wants to know where your bank is. So if you're on vacation in Spain but your bank is in the UK, select UK. Then pick your payment method. Credit card, debit card, bank transfer. Some people even see Apple Pay, PayPal, or Cash App depending on their region. Let's keep it simple. Select debit or credit card, and make sure it still says BNB as the coin you're buying. Now you'll see some providers. These are third-party services that integrate with your wallet. Pick one. They're all similar. Let's say you go with Ramp. It opens a new window, shows you how much BNB you'll get, and walks you through it. Enter your email. Get a code. MetaMask autofills your wallet address. You enter your card details, and just like that, you're in. Heads up though, first time you do this, they might throw you a few hoops. Some ask for ID. Some give you a quiz. Some even put a 24-hour hold on your first buy. Whatever. You only go through it once. Once the transaction's done, check your MetaMask wallet. Boom, your BNB is there. You're officially in the game. One last thing. If you used a credit card and it didn't work, try a debit card or a different provider. Some banks still play dirty. But now you know how to dodge all that nonsense and get what you came for. So here's your move. Click the link in the description for help with your crypto investing. We've got the tools, guides, and strategies to make sure you don't get lost, or worse, ripped off. Because in crypto, the people who win aren't the smartest. They're the ones who take action. So go take it.